Amazing, my friends. Once again, I welcome all of you to our special Instagram live with Prashant Sani. And today we have the incredible person with us, the person who is best in healing. And this is Chinna Sahitya, a health and wellness coach and yoga trainer. He's joining us, and we will be diving into the fascinating world of YAM spine therapy. Chinna, thank you so much for being here. I'm excited to learn a lot of things from you. YAM spine therapy focuses on what I believe aligning the spine and balancing energies for overall wellness, offering amazing benefits to our physical, mental, and spiritual health. So, my friends, if you want to ask any question, if you want to know anything, make sure that you ask and you clear your doubts, right? I just want to tell you something about Chinna before I move ahead. So Chinna is actually he is an IT professional turned into the health and wellness yoga coach. Into he's into marma therapy, hand mudra meditation, and back pain specialist. So he's the founder of Digital Superstar Wellness Hub and Young Spine Therapy. He is a humble devotee of Kadappa, Paramhansa, Sachidananda, Yogeshwar, and Lord Krishna. So, welcome Chinna to the show.
Thank you so much, Prashant. Thank you so much for the real warm welcome. I'm really glad to come live along with you and add value to people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kadapa Paramhamsa Sachidananda Yogeshwar and Lord Krishna, because I'm always Shishya of Kadapa Paramhamsa Sachidananda Yogeshwar and Lord Krishna. So I really take the moment to thank those two souls and two superpower, and along with universe and Navagragas and Panchabuddhas. Thank you, Prashant. Yes. So before we start, can we start some kind of Kapu mantra where I used to always do before I start anything? I used to start with prayer because I used to say gratitude and start the great things. I mean, any new things. That's what I learned from my Guruji. Can we start 1 minute Kapu mantra?
Yes, yes, we can.
Perfect. Yes. So I'm going to play a Kapu mantra. So whoever watching this as a live, this is amazing. Kapu mantra means protection mantra. When you start this mantra from in your morning, your day will look so amazing, positive, and you will be protected from negative energy, negative people, and negative incident. Let me play it for you guys. Yes, it's coming. Wellness Hub and YAM spine therapy. Hope you guys are able to hear. You to the Kapu mantra. Kapu mantra. The mantra which prescribed by Siddhas to common people to protect from all the negative energy, negative people, and negative incidents, and live a healthy, happy life. This mantra should be chanted on everyday morning after wake up. Listen this mantra and say it within yourself. My dear God, the Supreme Power, Navagragas, Panchabuddhas, always protecting me, guiding me, and helping me in day and night, all the time, all the places, all the situations, and all my businesses. Thank you, God. Thank you, Navagragas. Thank you, Panchabuddhas. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes.
Amazing, amazing. My friend, ये एक ऐसा मंत्र है जो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करेगा किसी भी तरह
Yes.
की नेगेटिव एनर्जी से, राइट?
Yes.
आपको
Yes.
जहाँ पर भी कुछ आता फील होता हो, तो यू कैन एक्चुअली प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ यूजिंग दिस मंत्र. It's powerful, right?
Yes,
So
Prashant.
thank you so much, Chinna, for sharing this with us. So I start this session asking this, like you chose the topic as YAM, and that is spine
YAM.
therapy.
Maybe you can pronounce it YAM. YAM Spence. YAM.
YAM, right?
YAM.
So
Yes.
what exactly is? Can you explain like what YAM is and what are its benefits?
So YAM spine therapy is one of the, not one of the, I cannot say it, one of the best spine therapy which is found, luckily, I mean not luckily, is really, after going through a lot of R&Ds, spending a lot of time reading those spine health, looking at the human lifestyle, and going through various mentors, not
Right.
only scientifically, is spiritually, different variety of different techniques which we used in YAM to improve the spine health with holistically and adding value to people to 360-degree health. 360-degree health means, I mean here, physical health, mental health, emotional health, and spiritual health. Because
Wow.
here, yes, we are not only removing your pain and reversing your pain. We are making sure after removing your pain, we make sure your 360-day health is we built for you. That is the main important compared to any other spine therapy. That's what we do differently in YAM. So
Wow.
coming back to YAM, in nutshell, if I want to say what is YAM, YAM is combination of yoga therapy and alignment therapy and mudra based, marma based therapy. Mudra and marma therapy. Basically, it's based on three formula. The triple B formula. The triple B formula here is, one is like B. First B is for bone alignment. Second B is for behavior alignment. Third B is breathing alignment. We use three alignment to reverse the spine pain and to build a 360-degree health. Also, it goes for 6-step process, because as soon as somebody, a client comes to us or anybody who has spine issue, we will make sure we will study the person, how really the issue is impacted, the pain is impacted him, like how many years old pain. We will just go one-on-one and try to understand his pain and the root cause very deeply. Then accordingly, then we can go ahead which therapy suits for him, because this triple B formula with the 6-step process based on yoga, bone alignment, and mudra based marma therapy, there is no question of not getting cured. Is 100% is reversible. Depends on the impact. We'll analyze the person. Then first we will make sure we will remove the pain first is from mentally, because the spine pain, more than a physical pain, is a mental pain. People
Yeah.
go different treatment. They'll get cured for temporarily. It's like a symptom. They remove the symptoms, but the source, the root cause, they don't remove, because that is there in the mind always, thinking like the issue will come, when my pain will come, is never going to remove permanently in their mind. That's what I am doing with my team, is doing with YAM. That's why I'm proudly saying the YAM spine therapy is one of the world's best spine therapy. Not only reversing the pain, it's building 360-degree health.
Wonderful. Amazing. So, I just want to know, like, what exactly inspired you to focus on spine therapy through YAM?
Yes. So YAM 2018, 2020, since I was a software engineer, I'm a software engineer. So I gone through chronic back pain 2018, 20, because I didn't have any movement, no exercise, just project delivery work, working 12 to 14 hours in front of laptop. So sedentary lifestyle took a toll of my back. So I just had gone through so much pain, but I tried all the various treatments. including you can name it, anything. I tried all the things, but just giving the only temporary solution my back issue, but nothing solved. Then after that I found why it's happening, because it's not for me, it's so many people who are struggling for back pain. What is the permanent solution for that? What can really improve the life of software engineers and people who work in the sedentary lifestyle permanently, and also in futuristic, like once reverse the pain, how can we build the 360-degree health? Because when I talk to why I keep on repeating 360-degree health, because physical, mental, emotional, spiritual health, all the health is really important. So since I'm a software engineer, I gone through the pain, I reversed, going through various mentors. I learned from starting from yoga, mudra, marma therapy, and bone alignment, all the because since I'm a health and wellness coach, I know that how really human body works, what are the studied anatomy deeply. Then I studied, because the spine is the one which really aspire me to do study so well, because spine always we feel like pride, because somehow spine is deeply connected to me, because I'm also a spiritual person. When you take any spiritual meditation, right, the first condition they will say is keep your spine erect, because your spine is, I will tell you here just reveal one secret, which is really one of the amazing secret told by one of my Guruji. If someone from the teenage, he keep the spine erect always, even sitting and standing and walking consciously with his spine erect, it's believed and it's proved, his Kundalini Shakti will go from Mooladhara Chakra to Agna Chakra. He can't even do. It says how really important we need to keep our spine erect and healthy. So yes, simple. If someone keeps the spine erect always with consciously, always means always, no matter what, he's sitting here always, then he's, because that's what yogis and siddhas says. What they don't need to do so many things, so many meditation. Just keep the spine erect always. Then your Mooladhara Chakra, the we can say Kundalini Shakti will go directly from Mooladhara Chakra to Agna Chakra. Because why they saying? Because most of the time we don't keep our spine erect. So that's why inspired me to study spine more. Also, since I impacted, I don't want anyone in future should not get impacted. So just I thought of add value to people. So my mission is always add value to people. So I thought of like take this path and first add value to people, software engineers like my brothers and sisters, and working professionals, whoever because of sedentary lifestyle go through the pain. I am just using YAM. I'm adding value to people.
Wonderful. Amazing. So I just want to know, like you said, always keep your spine erect. So like with this, if a person tries, but usually when people get indulged in different activities, they actually forget. Like, okay, I need to be like sit straight. I need to be like standing straight. So like is it possible that we can actually do this?
Yes, because from school, even if you look at many people don't stretch this. Hey, you need to be, because when any meditations, any kriyas, when you go for yoga stretching, yoga classes, or maybe some spiritual places, they ask you to do always sit properly, make your spine erect. But in schools and colleges, nobody teaches this. Most of the time people sit like this only, because it feels unconsciously, it feels them so comfortable sitting like this, because spine erect, they didn't get a lesson from the school, even from childhood. If you look at, even since you are a father, I'm a father of 2 kids, the schools never teach this. This is the one important things. But unknowingly, unconsciously, we feel like sitting comfortably, bending bones, our back little bend, then we feel like so comfortable and we keep sitting. So why? Because this is not taught. So always we haven't taught, so we always never follow. But really, I would suggest from schools, not only from spiritual places, even from schools, if they start teaching this, once someone knows the benefit of sitting, really, because they don't know the real benefit of it, because they think like
Yeah.
nobody taught, hey, if you sit, these all are the benefit, the list of benefits you get it. Not only you will give more alertness, not only alertness, you will get good energy, you will feel so confident when you sit straight, you will feel also look so height, you will feel pride when you sit straight, because I'm sitting straight now, I feel like speaking in front people, people coming in live, sitting straight and speaking feel good. So what I'm trying to say is, when people get the right benefit, when we teach how sitting is really help them with the right way, that will make them conscious, then they will make them, even sometime if they forget and go for bending sitting, it will really alert when you really teach properly and give the right benefit of sitting, then one can do consciously and sitting straight. Because I learned the things out of sitting straight past 4 years. When I was going through the pain, I reversed the pain, then I understand how important really it is. So people really going through the pain, back pain, once they reverse, they know the importance of sitting straight. Until unless they did not go through the pain, they don't know. But before going through the pain, to prevent that, we need to teach them how really important. We need to tell the right benefit with right manner to the people. Then one can sit consciously. Yes, it's possible.
Wonderful. So, my friends, I'm sure that now you are listening, and then you can also follow uh, the same instructions which Chinna is giving here. And with this, I welcome our viewers: Notorious Bhardwaj, Shipul Basanti, Satyasili, Vandana, Dr. Vandana Bhasin, Anand Raj. So, guys, if you have any question, if you want to know, please do ask. So, like, what are the most common spine issues this YAM therapy can help or
Yeah.
address?
Yes. Before I come to the issues, 90 to 95% of the spine issue all related to sedentary lifestyle, and due to mechanical, is a mechanical issue. It's not a medical issue. That's one thing they should go to everybody mind, because this is the important point. I would always tell to my people, wherever I go for give a speech, I will tell, first of all, don't worry. The first question I will ask, are you, or maybe we can ask, all of us, we can ask, are we born with back pain? If the answer is no, because I can use little hardware, why the hell you are thinking you cannot reverse? If you did not born with back pain, because it came in between. In between, maybe after 20 years or 30 years, even if you're young age, when you go for college and schools, you don't feel like back pain. But after 30 years, when 25 years, people started working in front of system and different various work related to sedentary lifestyle, they don't move their body much. Because of ancient people, they keep moving. Now we are not moving, less sitting in our places. We can get everything, including food, anything you can order from applications. So it's making you weak. Your muscle is going weak. So since your muscle is weak, the bone, which is the muscle is keeping the bones and build with muscle, the muscle goes weak, the bone is going and trying to touch each other and making and pinching your nerve. Like this is the model, this is the bone, because this bone is like, this is one of the short spine model, because your bone is built up with muscles. Okay, once your muscle is, you're not giving the enough movement, it goes weak, then it's giving more load on your vertebra, then that more load will pinch each and every bone, then it's become, your disc will come out and it will pinch, I think it will pinch your nerves, which is the yellow color, the nerves, then you will feel the pain. The point is 80%, 90% issue is all muscle problem. It's a muscle weakness and it's a muscle issue. Only 5 to 7% issue is bone issue, where it can be a bone crack or bone fracture due to accident or some other issue, which really some people may be well born. But most of the time, 90% issue is muscle, that too related to lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle. Yes. So when we did not born with back pain, once we know this is a cause because of us, we are the cause for this back pain, we are the cause for this spine issue, then 100% once you aware this information, you can reverse it. First you get the confidence, you can reverse it and build the strength of your muscle first, then build the endurance of the muscle, then automatically bone will come right place. So yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, friends, I hope that you are listening and recently joined us a lone boy, and we have a question. Even Vandana is there. So, from Notorious Father, we have a question like, I'm suffering from knee injury and sciatica pain. What to do?
Yes. Yeah. Also coming back to your answer, the issues which the maximum people will face either disc bulge or sciatica, which is nerves pinching, and sometimes cervical spondylitis, because nerves in the neck, because we in our life, if you record now recent last 10 years generation, people are always watching the mobile like this. They're bending the neck and keep on watching. They're making their nerves, all this cervical spine weak. Because of the muscle weak, you will get problem, because this cervical spine is health is very important, because all the nerves from brain to goes from your hand to your all organs goes via this neck. If your neck is going for a toss, then you will get cervical spondylitis, cervical disc bulge, so many problems. The major issues, see, I could see that pattern of people are either affected on cervical region max 50%, and 50% is lumbar, L1, L2, L3, L4, mainly L4, L5 and S1 problem. Then sciatica, because of that sciatica nerve which goes to thighs via this back lumbar region. So you will get pinching, your nerve pinching and pain on the right leg or left leg. Either one leg people always face, because one time the pinching of the nerves happen either right or left. So I would say sciatica, disc bulge and spondylitis is a common problem.
So, like, what to do for this? Like, Mr. Bhagwat is asking, like, what to do for this if he has this issue.
Yes. For this, depends on the year of impact. For example, if I have sciatica patient, just for somebody saying I have a pain only for last 2 months, that is like stage 1. You can just follow the right YAM stretches. We can call it not only stretches, is a kriyas based on bone alignment and breathing alignment and behavior alignment. It can be reversed, because since my basic program is only 21 days, 21 days is enough. But somebody has like more than years, like 4 to 5 years, maybe some people have 10 years. They could see the pain reduction percentage 50 to 60% within 10 days. Then slowly, because they have to build the muscle strength and muscle endurance, minimum takes to one month to 45 days. If keep on continuing the kriyas and bone alignment, breathing alignment is very important, because breathing, and when we do kriyas, our YAM specialty is we will make sure each one who does the kriyas is feeling and doing it. Feeling is the only language which body and mind can understand and heal the problem. If feeling is not done, simply like you are doing like a mechanical exercise, 100% is not possible to reverse. It may be time being, it will give the pain relief, but again will come back. So the short answer is follow the kriyas, continuously work out except one day. Sunday you can give for rest and recovery, because we need to give recovery period. Also, minimum 20 minutes you have to do this basic kriyas from YAM, whatever we are going to tell. 100% slowly you can build your muscle strength and endurance of your muscle. Then slowly 100% fully reversed your pain. You will have strong spine, because I'm sitting in front of you 2 years back, 4 years, 2018, 2020, had so much chronic issue. Now I strongly feel and tell proudly, I am the strongest man with respect to spine health, neck health and knee health. I can run, I can walk, I can do whatever 21 years old people can do, I can do it, because I am 44 years old. That's why I'm saying 20 minutes. Once you reverse your spine pain and knee, neck, you will feel 20 years younger. That's what we are always telling. Feeling 20 years younger. Feeling is the language for body and mind can understand. Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, can you share any short exercise, like the exercise which everyone can do, like within seconds, to work upon like this cervical issue or
Yes,
like any breathing exercise, which everyone can understand and can do it on their own.
yes. Also, why I am always stretching breathing? Breathing is really important. So, my YAM, the name itself is amazing. People who are watching live, I will tell one secret. The YAM, if you YAM mantra, is call it like a YAM mantra, YAM, YAM. Basically, this does two things. When people seriously does this mantra for minimum 9 to 18 times, what are the benefits I will tell? I will tell how to even you need to pronunciate this YAM. Two things. First one is YAM is the sound which will increase your anagata chakra, heart chakra, because that is told by all the siddhas. Anybody can go and Google it. YAM. When we say YAM, first it will activate your anagata chakra, heart chakra. Once your heart chakra is enabled, your healing process is fast, and you will be loved by people, and you also have the capability being love other people, because this heart chakra should be perfect to love people, to get loved also. It will increase because the heart is pumping the blood, because the blood is the one flowing across your whole body. If the blood itself, you make that powerful technique, powerful in inside feeling, putting that healing energy inside your blood, then only your healing process will go fast. I'm taking fast. Next is the YAM. Is sound and sound. These two sounds will increase your spine health, from starting from cervical to till your Muladhara chakra, because you can see the vibration, the spinal cord, which is very minimal point, which goes to the spine, to your cervical area, to your tailbone, which will take all the nerves to your whole body part organs. This sound will make you like shaking. There is a pipe which has a blockage. You can put hot water and shake, right? Then the blockage will go away. Like that, the spine, the nerves, whatever the negative energy, and the slowly shake and remove. So it will help really for 9 times. You need to do that. First, you need to sit properly. Either can be Padmasan or Sugasan, any asan, Vajrasan, and start saying this YAM mantra like this. YAM. The A and M maximum you can length it like that tone. You need to length so that you will feel the vibration. YAM. It sounds like little Om only, because people used to chant Om, right? It's very lengthy. But A sound, M sound will really increase your spine health and spine nerves. This is one mantra anybody can chant for 9 times morning, 9 times in the evening. Very easy. I'm going to give only easy steps now to improve. Even anybody, even you can be a 21 years old, you can be 85 or 90 years old person. You can do this mantra, because I don't think anybody can chant. The person who cannot chant, they can easily chant and get the benefit of improving spine health and heart chakra. Okay, that's number one. Number two, it looks very, very simple exercise, but people don't do it. But I'm going to reveal this exercise in front of other people. So if you are really have some cervical issue, people who work for even more like computer, like 8 to 10 hours or 12 hours, simple exercise, they can do it for 10 times or maybe 8 to 10 times. What they have to do, because they're always putting their neck on the down area, either watching the laptop or maybe mobile. Even for working, not only working people, even people who are homemaker or kids, they do this. So what they do they have to come back to home every day. They have to bend the neck like this, full bend. Keep for 30 seconds like this, in this position, fully bend. Make sure you are relaxed, your neck is relaxed like this. 30 seconds. One,
You need
two,
to
three,
stretch,
four.
right?
Yes, yeah. Yes.
Stretch
You
it.
need to, yeah, no need to put a lot of effort. You just keep it hold, just keep putting your neck like this for 30 seconds. Then slowly you need to come back. Very, very slowly. Yes. Very, very slowly. This is one good exercise. You can do it minimum 8 to 10 times. So that the day, whatever you are doing with bending your neck, it will get equalized and you will get your neck strength is quick, very easy. One exercise for cervical. Yes. Then sitting this, like I'm sitting on the chair, keep your hands on the chair, or maybe if you are sitting on the mat, you can put both the hands on your knees and start doing this. It's a kind of, you make wave motion using your neck and body combined. Like your neck should go up and down. Not only you look at my neck, is moving up and down. 1, 2, 3. Very good, effective. Even 21 years to 90, anybody can do it. Any aged people. Yes, this is the state. Let's do that 45. This is one, because our vertebra is like this. We should not rotate. People who are watching here, I'm telling you one shocking and truth here. Never do this exercise, please. Our vertebra is not capable of doing this. Then you are making your vertebra bad. You should not do this rotation. You have to do this. Either can be up, down, or this wave movement. Like that, you can rotate left and right and side bend, like this, side bend. Maybe you can feel the stretch, side bend. Yes, side bend. That's it. You don't rotate too much. If you want to rotate, you need to do only light moves like this. 1, 2, 3. You feel the neck muscles moving, not the spine. But this, you are activating your all C1 to C7, all the areas. Nice. Straight, then go for 45 degrees Celsius, like this. 1, 2, 3. 10 times. Always you try to keep a count of 12. 12 is always best number with respect to spine. Now let's go for this. 45 here, 45 here, and 40 this straight. If you do it, observe the magic after 10 days of your neck. So it's really amazing. Yes.
So my friends, these exercises are so simple. You can do these exercises wherever you are sitting, wherever you are. You don't need any specific place to do these exercises. And Mr. Bhadwa says that you are not looking 44 years old, you look 25 years.
Yes, because that's why I become an expert on this, right? That's why. Yeah, thank you so much for the compliment, because I always feel 21 years in my mind. So, yes.
Fit for Life says great information to you. Thank you. So I think you have shared the exercise. This is like good for all ages of people.
Yes.
And, right.
Yes, but only thing is, if somebody aged, that means, so you should use your hand support, keeping the hands on the knees, and do it light. Don't do it too much fast. Let's go for light, because all the things should start very, very slow, so that you will not load anything, you will not get more pain. So slowly, after few days of time, you will get expert knowledge in this rotation, because you know how the neck moves. So start with very slow. So listen your body and enjoy the moves. Enjoy the moves and do it. When you enjoy, that means you need to feel. And one important point in YAM we teach, we need to honor our muscle. We need to respect. If somebody is not honoring even other person, that means you are not getting value from that people. That means you need to honor not only other person, you need to honor your body. I always respect my each and every muscle, each and every fingers. So when I do this exercise, I'll really honor my neck. I feel like, wow, thank you so much, neck. You are doing amazing job. Because of you, I am able to handle all the nerves going from brain to all my body organs. Feel and honor. That time your muscle and your physical body and mind will talk each other. Then the healing process will go faster. Pain will reduce. You will get strength. You will get endurance after more days if you do it.
Wonderful. Wonderful. I want to share one thing here. Like Chinna said, if you don't value your body, then again your body does not value you.
Yes.
I've come to many issues where people actually share that they were not taking care of their body. Right? If you do not respect your body, if you don't care for your body, if you don't care for your organs, for your body parts, your body, your organs will not also take care for you. Most of the people who had some severe issues like cancer and all, so like we did some therapies with them, and those therapies or exercises were related to subconscious. So we ask them, okay, now you connect with your body and you ask why this thing is happening with you. And they got the answer like, my body says, if you don't care for me, then why should I take care of you?
Absolutely.
So
Right.
we should respect our body, we should value our body parts, and when you can actually do a gratitude for your body every day, so that
Yes.
you know that your body, you care for your body, you care for yourself, and it's
As
not for
part of
anyone else.
Yeah, as part of the YAM therapy class, we always make sure our guys need to write 3 times the sentence of I am so happy and grateful. I am physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually healthy, happy, and successful. Because right, when you write, there is a magic start happening from your brain to, because the connection, new neuro connection, you are doing it. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, absolutely,
Wonderful,
Prashant.
wonderful. I have two more questions to ask. The first one is like, if somebody is going through this pain or this issue, and the person is practicing this YAM exercise consistently. So, is there something like we can say that he can actually keep himself motivated during that time? Usually, people, they feel 1 or 2 days they are excited, but after some time they feel, okay, I'm not comfortable, or let's do it tomorrow. So, how can they feel motivated during that time?
Yes. So motivation is really the important factor, because to get going, because minimum, that's a consistency is really important. So here,
Yeah.
what YAM, as part of YAM, we do also, when people come for the session, right, we'll make sure you are not only doing the kriyas and exercises, we are also doing mudra meditation. Sometimes people, when do consistently exercise, right, they feel like bored. But some people, because we always, even if it's not for us, even champions, sometimes they feel like so boring, they don't want to do, but they do it because that's how they become champion. So but here we are like, people are normal people, how we can become a champion attitude to build up. So that's why sometimes when we start giving the kriyas, sometimes we don't give the hard kriyas or exercise, we make sure, do it only mudra meditation. And we speak more to the people one on one, giving some kind of sound therapy also we give. Basically we play some healing music and try to do only mudra meditation and appreciate people. Because sometimes people come for class not only for doing and removing, yeah, obviously the pain removal and building the health is really important, but sometimes people expecting some kind of acknowledgement, some appreciation from the mentor. When you do this real appreciation, hey, I'm going for this class, I feel so excited, I feel so motivated, because each and every day we see the person, we call their name, yeah, super amazing, you are doing great. Also, even though they good do little, but they feel like so good, they so giving for to motivate them. We should not go for like same routine every day, because I keep changing the routine every 2 days, because same routine means they will get bored. The routine change in YAM, like 2 days one kriyas, we give 1 day rest for the other kriyas, change the different routine. Now let's follow. Most of the time we'll start from head warm up, sometimes we start from leg warm up, sometimes, because it's not hard and fast rule, it's never proven this is work, this doesn't work. Something somebody works, somebody don't work. So one common pattern is there, but something we need to change the pattern and talk to people and appreciate, so that someone will feel, hey, I get motivated. It's not the same routine, something different routine. Also, I'm not only teaching mudra meditation of only spine health mudra. I'm also teaching. Sometimes I'll take a different topic. Okay, now how many of you really have headache in your family? How many of your mother, mom, dad have headache? I have some amazing mudra. Let me teach you the mudra which can heal the headache permanently. No need to go to take medicine. So mudra. There's a Magisir mudra which can do it, remove the headache. Sometimes people have, okay, sir, I'm working in software industry, but I will give some kind of one bonus like, hey, how to be a confident. Okay, fine, you are removing your spine pain, you will become better, your health is perfect, but you want to speak in front of 100 people or 50 people, how really you want to improve your confidence, how to feel like powerful, how if you go to the crowd, how you really increase your confidence. I have amazing mudra, this is called Hakini mudra. You put your all 5 hands like this, these 5 fingers, 5 elements, join these 5 fingers, You don't need to just keep this. This is called Hakini Mudra, which will give real pretty powerful. It will make you confident, powerful, and sometimes you are asking question. Sometimes the information comes for me is flowing properly because the brain works so nice because I am keeping this mudra unknowingly. Look at that. I am always keeping this mudra in my hand. This mudra is followed by many celebrities, top stars, politicians. Yes. So these kind of tips and bonuses I will teach. So people will be really get interested and they want to learn something new. Something is going to maybe Chinna is going to teach something new. So let's learn. So this motivation, like the 3 point, one is like don't follow the same routine, change it. The next one is appreciate and people call their names and always give, even though give some nice words. Give the because people are always want some good words, man. People never speak good words for other people. People are very congested in the sense they don't speak more good words. They always think like about other people, how to demotivate them. So motivate, give the right words. I always use amazing and awesome. This keeps coming in my mouth because that's how my life is really become amazing and awesome. So keep saying the right words. And third one is like basically you need to give some other tips which shocking bonus so that people never think like it's boring. So that's why people are coming always enjoying. Yes.
I really love that appreciation exercise.
Yes.
When you appreciate others, there's a wonderful change comes in them. So absolutely. Even there was research was done, like with some school students who were like below average. So like for 3 months or I believe, yeah. So they were called like for 3 months, all the students who were below average at one place, and they were not doing anything, but they were just appreciating them. And they actually experienced a tremendous change in their results.
Yes,
they only appreciated them.
People always going through the pain. They're coming not only removing pain. At least they want to hear some good words from the people who are teaching. If they're also again asking people very strict way, do this consistent kriyas, then obviously people get boring. Then sometimes after 5 days they will not come. Yes.
Okay. Wonderful. So my last question to you is like any final tip for the people who are watching us now or who will be watching us later, like who actually want to get the therapies from you or your sessions, who want to attend, who want to start their journey. Any final tip for them, or you want to like say anything to them?
Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much, Prasad, and thank you, Universe. So basically, the tip is basically we need to move. Movement is the best medicine. We need to keep moving wherever you are. At least spend minimum 20 minutes to 40 minutes to take care of yourself. It can be anything. You need to move and do it. People really have already affected because of back pain. Don't go for too much heavy workout and things. Start with light. Like as I said, keep your finger, both the hands and the knees. Start doing this neck. And there is the same way we can do it for even spine also. Lumbar spine separate activation and thoracic spine separate activation and cervical. So very, very small. First, because we start with the light. If somebody is already have some pain, but if you are putting more exercise, too many hard exercise, then it will make them worse. Let's go from slow. Start from light exercise, light moves, light stretches. Then slowly build your strength. Then go for hard. For example, even some weight, using some lightweight dumbbells also we can do. We can build up our strength of your spine, but not now, immediately. So the ultimate tip is move. Whatever the kriyas I taught you, do it and learn some of the yogas. Wherever you are, if you are staying nearby, if you any yoga class, don't start with big yoga stretches like going chakrasana. Don't do this because again it will make you worse. Then you will blame the yoga teacher. Don't do this because sometimes yoga trainer and gym trainer, even though some people really nice, they always want people to come and bombard with so many hard exercise and hard movements. Again, they will make worst. Then they will not repeat, never come back to gym, never come back to the yoga class. They feel like too much. So this need to be avoided. Even though light exercise, light things, then go and have some, always spend some 10 to 15 minutes in front of sunlight, because that is vitamin D indirectly help you to your bones strength. Spend some 10 to 15 minutes in the sun. Do deep breathing. There are breathing technique which can really remove your anxiety and stress. And some of the breathing technique you can do diaphragm breathing technique. You can Google it and you can do it because The breathing is the one, obviously, it's always we have to do the deep breathing instead of shallow breathing, so that our healing power of our body will get increased. Because people always think like I'm eating calcium, I'm taking all the protein, I'm taking all the nutrition, but still I'm not feeling that my healing is not going well. I'm not it reverse my pain. Yes, it won't, because you need to breathe properly. That's why you are going for only kriyas and exercise. People don't know how to breathe, because your breathing pattern should change to improve your healing process. That's why in YAM we ask everybody before sleep, there is a 5 minutes breathing technique which will make the healing process fast, because we need to attack on all the possible ways. One way doesn't work, only yoga doesn't work. Mostly some people, only mudra sometimes people may not work, but all combination of this holistic process will work. So if you want to know more about this, maybe you can keep in ping in the Instagram. So I will give my email ID and phone number. So start 21 days basic program, 100% we will reduce the percentage of your pain, and 100% will make sure 360-degree health. I always say 360-degree health, because when somebody is physically fit, I'm not saying that he is fit, because anybody can demotivate, they can make their physical fitness become down. If mentally fit is good, mentally fit also is not enough. Emotionally, try to understand other people. You are mentally, physically fit, but you don't know the other people emotion. What is the use of it? How you can be a better leader? How can be you better human being in the society? Then spiritual path. Why spiritual power and physical knowledge? Because there is a reason why we born. There is a reason why we are doing it. Even today, why we are doing this session, there is a reason. We want to add value to people. We should know really why we are living. So that knowledge also, little knowledge is there, then there is a purpose of living. You will get fulfilled. Not like how you are coming and living and going from the earth. Try to live purposefully, then it will make your life so fully 100% satisfaction. Yes.
Wonderful.
Moment.
So I've got two questions here. So two of them asked these questions. Let's answer them quickly. Subrajit Das is asking, what is the secret of your health?
My health.
Yeah.
My health is, you name it, I did all the kriyas, all the exercises. So basically, simple thing is like deep breathing, one breathing technique. Generally, as soon as I get up morning, one breathing technique. Then right affirmation, healthy affirmation, because I always make sure I'm physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually healthy, happy, and successful. I keep repeating in my mind. That's why I always think like in mentally, I'm 21 years old, because even though my age is 44, I always think. So first is your mental health. Think from your mind. As soon as you start from morning, do some five times deep breathings, and write your good health affirmations. And I always do movement, because I do either one day I'll do yoga, sometime in home, sometime I'll go for walk, sometime I'll go for jog, sometime I'll go for gym, sometime I'll go for gymnastic. So you may not do it all the thing, but I do this because I want to learn, because that's why I want to teach people. I want to teach people, I should know each and every exercise how it's really impacting the body. That's why I'm doing this. But for you, breathing techniques, nice breathing. If you are nearby park, go and do deep breathing, 10 minutes. Then do some nice walk. Good. Then wonderful. Movement, any exercise, any kriyas. You can be anything. You can keep moving and doing it. So my health thing is, as I said, I do all the things. I will deep breathing. I do affirmation, and also I eat good food. There is another point. Eat what we eat, we become. So I always try to avoid oily food, but I do. I'm not saying 100% I don't eat oil. I don't eat KFC. I eat pizza. I do eat KFC, but not regularly. Bi-weekly once I do it, because I am also a human being. I also want to taste all the foods. Biryani.
Okay,
I'm a
the last
lover.
one.
Yes.
Yeah, wonderful. The last one is, sir, can you please tell about sciatica pain, because that time my earbuds are not working properly. They not work properly.
Sciatica pain, basically, as I said, if hard kriyas and hard exercise, you should not do it. Start with there is in YAM we have special rotation of your lumbar region, and there are temporary sciatica pain removal. Then once it temporarily, when we remove your pain, we will ask you to do some kriyas which will remove your pain, and you will improve your strength. If at all due to some disc bulge, we will try to align the bone, because with using some therapy, that yoga therapy, align the bone and remove the bulge. Make sure the bulge is not touching your sciatica nerves. Then slowly 15 days you can see that improvement. 10 to 15 days you can see the pain reduction. After that 21 days you keep doing it. Again after 21 days you keep continuing. This can be done from your home, wherever you are, because all the YAM spine therapy all online only, no offline therapy. Online, anyone, anytime, anywhere can do it. So if you really want to change your sciatica, just please ping Prasant or me. We are able to help. We will 100% help you to remove your pain and build your strength.
Wonderful. So now, friends, thank you so much for the information first, and I'm sure that you've got your answers. And with this, I really want to say thank you so much for joining us today. It's been an enlightening session on YAM spine therapy with the
YAM,
wonderful
YAM
person,
spine therapy.
personality,
Yes.
YAM spine therapy with the wonderful Chinna Sahitya. So your insights and expertise, I do truly appreciate it, Chinna.
Thank you so much, Prasant. Thank you so much. Second time I think we are giving the interview. Thank you so much for really taking your time and asking me to come live and asking. You are asking just simply whenever you ask me, I will think like you are asking me to add value to people. That's what my mission is, to add value to people, because you are helping for my mission. Thank you so much. I'll take this opportunity to thank you and universe and Kadapa Paramahamsa Sachidananda Yogeshwar and Lord Krishna. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you. So to everyone who tuned in today and you have given your precious time, because you could be doing anything else, and your engagement and questions actually make this session, more valuable. Remember that to incorporate the practices we discussed today to enhance your spine health, you can do a lot of things. So simple exercises you can do anywhere, anytime. Right? Feel free to reach out to us if you have any question or you want to join, you want to connect with Chinna, because I think he is the best for young spine therapy. Right? Stay tuned for more informative sessions. I'll see you tomorrow with a new speaker and a new topic. Till then, stay healthy. Take care. Goodbye.